Hello, did you know that you may be able to apply for proof of your right to live and work in UK under the Windrush Scheme if you or your parents arrived in UK before 1st of January 1973 and you're a Commonwealth citizen? You may also be able to apply if you're of any nationality and you arrived in UK before 31st of December 1988. Now, in terms of what you're entitled to, it will depend on a number of things. One, whether you've lived in UK continuously since arrival, whether you've left UK for more than 2 years, or whether you're outside UK. Now, if you've lived in UK since arrival before the 1st of January 1973, you may be eligible for British citizen instead of indefinite leave to remain. The Windrush Scheme will be able to determine which one or sort out which one you're eligible for. In terms of the application, you can make this application either within UK or outside UK. There's no fee for this application, so the application is free of charge. Now, just note that information provided in this video does not represent legal advice. If you do need legal advice on this issue, I'll strongly suggest that you seek advice from an immigration practitioner. So if you've lived in UK for continuously or have right of abode, then you're able to do one of the following. You can either apply for proof of your indefinite leave to remain, you can apply for British citizenship, or you can apply for confirmation of your entitlement to right of abode. Now, the Windrush Scheme helpline will be able to help you work out which you're entitled to. If you were away from UK at some point for more than 2 years and now lawfully in UK, you may be entitled to indefinite leave to remain. If you already have indefinite leave to remain, then you can apply for proof of your indefinite leave to remain, or you can apply for British citizenship. So the Windrush Scheme helpline can help you to work that out. Now, if you've lost your indefinite leave to remain because you were outside UK, you may be eligible for returning resident visa or the 10 years multiple entry visa. How do you make application under the Windrush Scheme? So in terms of how to apply, you can apply if you're within UK or inside UK. You can make this application using the Windrush Scheme application form. Once you've completed the form, post it to the address on the form with any supporting evidence you have or documentary evidence you have. If, however, that you're applying from outside UK, you are required to make this application online. There's no charge for this application, it's free of charge. Once you've submitted your application, from the Windrush Scheme helpline or the tax force will contact you if they need further information regarding your application. You will be required to provide your fingerprints and also your photo for biometric purposes. So if you're eligible to make application under the Windrush Scheme to prove your right to live and work in UK, you may also be eligible to claim compensation if you've suffered losses. So if you've suffered losses because you could not work, because you couldn't prove your right to live and work in UK, you could not find a place to live as a result, you could not get healthcare services or have access to banking, and then you may be able to claim compensation. So I'll be doing a video on the compensation aspect of Windrush Scheme, so stay tuned. So I'll be sharing with you who are eligible, how to go about it. Now, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this, and also share to other people so they will know about this often underused scheme. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates and content like this. Bye-bye.